Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel. If you want to enhance your English conversation skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 10 everyday English expressions that will help you sound more natural and confident in your conversations. Let's dive in. Expression number 1, what's up? This is a casual way to greet someone and ask how they are doing. It's perfect for friends and informal settings.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, Joe? Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's up?
Okay, what's up?
Why, what's up, pal?
What's up?
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Obi, what's up?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
What's up?
So, what's up?
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? So what's up?
Expression number 2, I'm just kidding. Use this when you want to clarify that you were joking and not being serious.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
Expression 3, you've got to be kidding me. This phrase is used to express disbelief or surprise about something someone has said.
You gotta be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
What? Gotta be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me.
Expression 4, let's call it a day. This expression means to stop working for the day or to conclude an activity.
Let's call it a day.
So let's call it a day, huh?
All right, let's call it a day.
Or let's call it a day.
Call it a day.
Expression 5, I can't believe it. Use this when you are shocked or surprised by something.
I can't believe it.
Can't believe it! I can't believe this! Can't believe it! I can't believe it! I can't believe it! I can't!
Expression 6, it's not my cup of tea. This means that something is not to your liking or preference.
Not entirely my cup of tea.
Not my cup of tea.
It's not your cup of tea, Mother.
Not my cup of tea.
Flying is not my cup of tea.
Expression 7, I'm feeling under the weather. This is a way to say that you are feeling ill or unwell.
Oh, perhaps I am a little under the weather.
Guys, he's feeling a little under the weather.
A little under the weather.
And you don't want to be under the weather when the weather's bad.
Yeah, heard you were under the weather.
I am just feeling under the weather.
Oh, perhaps I am a little under the weather.
Expression 8, that's the way the cookie crumbles. This phrase means that sometimes things don't go as planned, and you have to accept it.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's the way the cookie crumbles, okay? Okay. That's the way the cookie crumbles!
Expression 9, I'm in hot water. This means you are in trouble or facing a difficult situation.
I'm in a bit of hot water.
So, you're in hot water.
Girls are in some hot water.
Everyone winds up in hot water.
Heard you're in a bit of hot water.
Expression 10, it's a piece of cake. This phrase means that something is very easy to do.
Trying to get the photos.
So it's a piece of cake.
Trying to get the photos.
So it's a piece of cake.
All that?
That's a piece of cake.
All that?
That's a piece of cake.
On every day is a piece of cake. But send
On every day is a piece of cake.
And there you have it, 10 everyday English expressions that will help you sound more fluent and natural in your conversations. Remember to practice using these phrases in your daily life, and you'll see how much more confident you become in speaking English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite expression from today's list? Or do you have any other expressions you'd like to share? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Fantastic work on keeping up with our English lesson today. I hope you found this story helpful and the new vocabulary interesting. If you're interested in preparing for the IELTS exam this year, you can also join our membership channel, where you can study for the exam alongside Kevin, share learning experiences and tips. We will regularly release exclusive videos for members, along with customized IELTS study plans. We look forward to having you join us. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, and happy learning.